Hi guys, in today's video we're going to look at our choice of solvents, looking at water with ionic compounds, water with alcohols, water as a poor solvent, non-aqueous solvents, and then finally we'll look at an exam style question.
So the first thing we need to consider when we're considering the use of a solvent is the intermolecular forces of attraction. There are going to be some forces of attraction that are broken and then new forces of attraction that are created, and we need to weigh them up. It's sort of like a balance. So let's look at why water is used as a solvent with ionic compounds. Well, ionic compounds dissolve in hydration, and what happens is the ions dissociate into positive and negative ions, and they become surrounded by the polar water molecules. In our water molecules, the hydrogens are slightly delta positive and the oxygens slightly delta negative. The slightly negative oxygens become attracted to the positive ion. In this case, we have sodium from our sodium chloride, our ionic compound. Here, in our negative ion, the slightly positive hydrogens are attracted towards the negative ion, and you can see how our ions are surrounded by these water molecules and become hydrated. So water hydrates these ions and acts as a fantastic solvent. Water is also a fantastic solvent for alcohols. Now, alcohols have an OH group and they can form hydrogen bonds with the water molecule, which you can see here. Now, this is an energetically favourable reaction. Energy released compensates for the energy used. What we mean by that is that the energy released when the hydrogen bonds are formed compensates for the breaking of the bonds between the water molecules. You have to break the hydrogen bonds between the water molecules, and you have to break the hydrogen bonds between the alcohol molecules. There's also an increase in entropy. So this is an energetically favourable reaction, but that's only true for short chain alcohols. For longer alcohols, they are less soluble in water, and that's because only the OH group on one end is able to form hydrogen bonds.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific A-level chemistry videos, click the button. Join me today and together let's make A-level chemistry a walk in the park.